These mature women's brands like J. Jill, Chico's, Style & Co., Coldwater Creek, they're my best sellers on eBay, you guys. Not on Posh, which I think has a younger, trendier, I like this little dance I'm doing for the younger, trendier. Hey friends, it's Quenby, the Grateful Queen, here on YouTube, and today I have an unboxing of an order I bought at Goodwill online. Many Goodwills are selling their stuff online now, so it's thrift store shopping online. Their website is called shopgoodwill.com. I order from them a lot. And friends, I decided to add a little try-on of some of my favorite items in the haul because that's always fun, right? This is an order of 15 items and I paid approximately $9.99 per item. And you might be thinking, Quenby, if you're buying this stuff to resell online for a profit, $9.99, that cost of goods is way too high. And I completely agree with you. In many ways, it's too high of a cost of goods. But these are items that I hand selected. I took my time on the site trying to find things that I knew I could flip for around $30 or more. Friends, here's the chart I made to help you understand my profit that I hope to make on these items. Even with 20% fees and a $10 cost of goods, if an item sells for 30 bucks, my profit is $14. If it sells for $40, my profit is $22. So it's a high cost of goods, but I'm happy with those returns. You'll see some of the brands and styles that I chose, and I'll talk about why I chose them. Also, you need to know that I'm in Northern California. My thrift stores have never opened due to COVID, so I'm doing all my sourcing online. I love to source online at places like Thredup, shopgoodwill.com. I like to use Jomar Wholesale and other places like that to get my inventory. It's been pretty awesome. I miss thrifting for sure, but I love sourcing online too. There are so many benefits, like an entire box of inventory comes right to my door. I love that. Hi and welcome, I'm Quenby. I'm a part-time reseller. I've been reselling on eBay and Poshmark for 9 years, so I have a lot of reselling experience and I share it all with you here on the channel. So make sure you have hit that subscribe button and the little bell, because the little bell will send you notifications if I go live or if a new video comes out. Okay, here we go. Let's dive into this box. Okay, so this first thing that I'm going to show you was actually a lot of 3, so it was $10 for a lot of 3, and I think these are Nike men's size XL. So the reason I bought them is because they're a really great size, and there were 3 of them in a lot. So yes, this is men's, the Nike T size XL, and it says Nike, Nike, Nike in blue. A blue XL shirt from Nike is going to do well. I specifically bought these because they were XL, and that's a great selling size for me, the Nike T. So I thought this was a pretty good deal to get 3 of them, kind of for the price of 1. I'm checking the condition because, and these look excellent. Like, these look like if they've ever been worn and washed, I don't know. I don't mess with like Nike, Adidas, some of those bigger brands that just have thousands and thousands of listings on eBay and Posh. I don't mess with them too much, but because these were a size XL, I thought, and they were blue, I thought they'd do well. And as I talk through this, you guys, why don't I give you some of my tips for shopping at the Goodwill online store? My number 1 tip is watch out for shipping cost, and always, always, always hit the button that says estimate shipping, because the lowest shipping I've ever paid is like 10 bucks on an item. So one of my tips is that I buy as much as I can from the same store. So there are different stores all over the country that are selling on shopgoodwill.com. I choose one store, I go in there and I buy as much as I can so I can combine shipping. This is one of my favorite pieces. I absolutely love it. The brand is Prana. Here's the Prana logo. If sometimes the tag is cut out, it's really good to know logos. And this is a women's quilted jacket. Cropped quilted jacket. That'll do really well. So this is a more substantial piece, which is why I paid up for it. This is gorgeous. I'm looking at the condition because one of the things that's tricky about shopping from Goodwill online is that they just show you maybe a couple of pictures. Sometimes their pictures aren't great. They often don't give you a lot of information. I think I can probably get like 40 bucks for this. So friends, here I am looking at comps. This is on eBay and I'm looking at sold comps for the Prana jacket. And you can see that many have sold even in one day. And the range seems to be $39 plus shipping or higher. There's a couple random low ones in there, but I'm feeling confident I can get 40 for that one. These I kind of bought for myself. I think these were actually 13. Let's see how they are. So these are Lululemon. The Lulu stuff usually gets bid up really high on the site. It's very competitive. Everybody wants it. So it's hard to get your hands on some Lulu stuff. But I got these because these are super high-waisted. And I'm confused because these look like the Wonder Under. They're really high-rise, see that? But they feel kind of like the Align. But on Lulu, the Align legging is the only pant that goes down kind of like a V. And I'm not seeing that V here, but it feels like that thinner fabric. So I kind of got these for me. I think the reason these ones didn't go up that high is because, well, there's two reasons. One, they didn't disclose the size. So on Lulu, the size is usually, oh, they're my size, fantastic. So they might not have known. These are just people from Goodwill putting their stuff online. They're not like expert sellers like we are. They might not have known to go into the pocket and find the size dot. And then around the size dot there are a bunch of little letters and numbers, and if you put those into Google, you can find out what the style on these is. So these are my size 8 high-rise leggings. Yes, that's really good. Those probably won't get sold unless I don't like that lighter weight fabric. I like a little more coverage. What's this in my background? Oh, it's the Lulu pants. I don't want my background to look messy for you guys. This I bought because it was new with tags and an XL, Coldwater Creek, a really great mature women's brand that will sell fantastic for me on eBay. It was new with tags and it was retailed at $59, so I'm hoping, I don't know what I can get for this. Metallic boxy top with a slit in the back. This was also new with tag, and this retailed for $49.99, and it's a size XL. Do you see a theme? XL sells so well for me. This is a women's purple sweater, kind of like a mock neck. Really pretty. So for me, there were certain things I was looking for with something like this. I wanted it to be a bigger size, because bigger sizes sell best. These mature women's brands like J. Jill, Chico's, Style & Co., Coldwater Creek, they're my best sellers on eBay, you guys. Not on Posh, which I think has a younger, trendier, I like this little dance I'm doing for the younger, trendier shoppers that might be on Poshmark. But on eBay, that's what they want. So hopefully that'll do okay. Oh, I found another. Gosh, I did good, Quimby, I did good. Coldwater Creek, $79.95, size large. Ooh, this is super cute. But you know what? I should send this to my sister Aaliyah right now. Look at this. Boxy, lacy, semi-sheer, so you need like a tank under. Look at this though. So perfect. So perfect. I keep bringing up my sister Aaliyah because she and I are often emailing back and forth. She's trying to shop online, like on eBay, but she keeps buying things that don't quite fit her right, and then she sends them to me. I'll insert some images here of the last 2 tops she sent me that I so love and want to keep myself, but she probably wants me to sell them. I don't know. And my sister Aaliyah sent me these 2 tops that she bought for herself online and didn't love, so she sent them to me to sell them. They're so cute. This one's linen top by Christian Siriano, 100% linen. That does really well for me. And this one's made well, and it has all this embroidery all over it. So of course the issue is I want to keep these tops now, and I'm probably supposed to sell them, which is just a constant issue for me. It's like my downfall as a reseller. She might really like that. I'm going to set that aside. Okay, great stuff so far, guys. I will pay up if I know it's reliable, that I can sell it. Like this brand, Cool, Kuhl, super expensive brand. If you go to somewhere like REI, this tank top probably cost $50 or $60. Same with that Prana jacket I showed you. And this is the emblem for Cool, the logo, I guess. This has got a lot of nice style details on it. So, I mean, it's just a tank, but I'm going to try and get like 25 bucks for it. This I got because it was new with tags, and I thought maybe it would fit me, but I don't know if it will. Lucky brand, new with tags, $69.50. This stuff's expensive. Let me give you a little tip. How am I finding all this new with tag stuff? Sometimes in the titles on shopgoodwill.com, they'll say new with tag or new, but often they don't. I mean, it really is like the wilderness over there. They're not professional online sellers. They're workers at Goodwill doing the best they can to make a good listing and sell it to people, but they don't know all the keywords to use and things like that sometimes. So I really am like digging through. Oftentimes I'll just see in the picture something dangling and I'll be like, oh, they didn't say new with tag in their title, but maybe it is. This is the sort of stuff that sells so well on this brand, because look at all the embroidery and lace on this. This is like boho goodness, and I just don't know if I can fit in a small, but I would love this. Look at the nice like cap sleeve with all that detail in a really beautiful like sage greeny color. That to fit me, but I don't know if it will. See, this is fun because I don't even remember. I bought this box weeks ago. This feels gorgeous. Another new with tag. So I was obviously looking for new with tag. Loft, size medium, a gorgeous, gorgeous blouse. Look at this. Oh, lovely. Look at that ruffle sleeve detail. It feels like silk. And has the elastic cuff. Oh gosh, I want this too. This is the worst. See, I handpicked this stuff, so I must have picked stuff that I like, and it's like the worst thing for me. The hardest thing as a reseller is not keeping everything. I was just talking to one of my friends on here in the comments section, and she was saying, I know I want to keep everything, but what we often do is we'll say, I want to keep it. I'm going to go in my closet, pull out a few things to move along and put a new item in and sell my old stuff. So it sort of works that way. I bet this is polyester tricking me as silk. It is, but it really feels like silk. I'll put career in the title. This has a high ruffly neck, so that's a popular. Oh gosh, I love it, love it, love it. This is kind of a mystery item that I'm really excited to research. So I saw this blue t-shirt, it's a men's t-shirt, and see that nice forest graphic? I was like, that looks really nice. But I didn't want to pay 10 bucks. But it has this tag that says 10 sell. Look at all the detail. This is an actual coin. It's heavy. What this brand is all about. But I'll tell you, when you see a tag like this, that they spent so much money making, this is an actual heavy coin with a number on it and everything. 10 sell, and this is what it says. Learn more, 10tree.com. So I will look this up. I got this too, a Prana, and I bought this because it's a jacket and it's a size large. So obviously, like, a Prana jacket is going to sell for more than like a Prana tank top. So I tried to get better pieces. This still has a new tag on it, but I don't think this is new. This is so nice. Oh, it's gorgeous. Like a zip front fitted jacket with zipper pockets. Really pretty green. Look at the Prana and the Prana logo there. This is super, super nice. Someone's gonna love this. There's that tag. I memorize these logos and stuff, guys, because oftentimes people cut tags out. Look at the detail too, like even the zipper pull. How nicely they made that heavyweight gorgeous pull. So for 10 bucks, listen. Okay, now these are all the same brand that you guys probably already know, but I really want to make sure. This is what got me to buy the lot from this store. I saw these shirts with this brand and I was like, I'll buy that. And then they had several others. So I was like, I'm going to make a bundle, a lot from this store to shave on shipping. So these shirts go for so much. One of them I think was new with tags. Yes, so this is Ariat or Ariat, I don't know. They are known for boots. This brand makes Western boots that sell for a lot. So if you see them, pick them up. This brand does really well. This is the size XL men's shirt. Super big shirt, like a plaid one. New with tags, and then see the embroidery on the back. So here I am looking at sold comps on eBay, and you can see that these new with tag button-down shirts are going between $45 and $55 every single day. There's many of them selling at that price, so probably $35 for the pre-owned ones, but I have one new with tag one. I should be able to get $50 for that, so that's pretty exciting. Good brand to know, you guys. There's one here that's new. This one is not new, but it looks to be new. My guess is these all came from the same guy who dropped them off. Ariat Pro series. These are gorgeous. And then one other one in an XL. So I think I can make some pretty good money on these shirts. Uh-oh, is that a stainer? Oh no, it's the embroidered logo on the pocket. It's like, oh no. Everything looks to be great, but again, on shopgoodwill.com, you're not going to get a ton of information. And I have got things that have been disappointed, like, oh, it has a little hole or a mark that they didn't disclose. Often they'll just say as is or shows minor wear, but you don't know what it is, so there is a bit of a risk. Okay, so this is new with tag, $44.95, Coldwater Creek size large. I don't know what it is though, because it's still in the original. Oh, cardigan with a twist. Okay, so this is a women's. Do I want to take it out of here? Well, I'm going to have to photograph it anyway, right, guys? So, but I don't know how they did this, because I'd love to send it to my customer in this bag, but it's ripping as I do it. Okay, guys, so this is a cardigan, a women's new with tag cardigan, navy blue with like this, they're calling it a twist, but this nice detail there, really beautiful, size large cardi with a twist. So it's like an open front cardigan. So I hope maybe some of these brands or things, maybe you knew them, maybe you didn't, but these are brands that I love to pick up, that I'm willing to pay up for. It wasn't just brand though, you guys. I paid up for brand, I paid up for size, and I paid up like with Prana because it was those jackets, because I think you can get more for jackets. And my comfort wear and stuff selling well, so I tried to think about that in this haul. I'd love to know what you think. Have you shopped online with Goodwill at shopgoodwill.com? It's thrift store shopping like online, so I'm kind of getting to thrift a little bit, but not really. I haven't been in a thrift store since March because mine never opened and I'm doing all my shopping online. The benefit is it comes to my house and I'm so thankful for that. It's awesome, but I do miss thrifting. So anyway, I'd love to hear from you guys, and don't forget to check out my new channel, The Grateful Therapist, all about mental health and personal growth, and I look forward to talking with you in the comments. Thanks guys, bye!